my channel. We are starting a new vlog. Don't come in here if you're naked. And we are in Hawaii. Aloha. So there are 7 of us staying in this penthouse condo on the, I don't even know what floor it is because it's just penthouse.
32nd.
30, no, it's higher than that. We stopped 30. We passed 35. We passed 36. I don't know. It's high. We're just penthouse level. And let me show you guys the views of our freaking condo. Yeah. Can we talk about this?
Gorgeous.
Those are the beautiful mountains and volcanoes. But look, it wraps around. And we have even better views, but that is Waikiki Beach right there. We are super close. Like I said, there are 7 of us from the ship that are all from the cast. Manuela is barking like a seal. And we are here overnight. I look crusty AF, so let me hit the good light. So I gotta get ready. We're gonna take you guys on our night out, hopefully, and see what kind of shenanigans we get into in Hawaii. So tonight we're in Honolulu. I almost said Hawaii again. Honolulu.
Yeah.
And that's
Aloha.
Nicholas. He's a boy again. Last time you saw him, he would have been a drag queen. But yeah, so stay tuned because we're gonna have a good AF time.
Yeah.
Ready to do this?
Yeah. Born ready.
This lighting in here is really bad, but we're about to take the first shot of the night.
It's not on my chest yet.
We're celebrating. And we have Fireball out of red Solo cups because we are back in America. Cheers to a great night out and fun with friends and 2.5 weeks left on the contract.
Yay!
Cheers!
Cheers!
Woo!
Merry Christmas.
Basically like Christmas. Fireball. Also, I'm halfway made up. So there's that.
Christmas in a cup, y'all.
So fresh. Last time I don't think it matters how much I like or don't like a shot. I feel like that face is like obligatory. Like the
It's not hard for me though. It sits nice. It warms you up.
It does sit nice, but
it does what you need it to do.
it still like makes me go. Bless you. It still makes me go. Anyways, my face is halfway made up. I need to hurry.
I hate it.
You love it. You love it. He's about to eat this protein cookie because he needs some carbs.
I do.
So good.
Oh my god.
Why are you eating it then? There's a multi-bag of chips over around. There's literally this multi-bag of chips for carbs. And what do you choose? A protein cookie?
I want to try.
What are you drinking? What are you
Water.
chugging it down with Fireball? Oh, water. I can't even believe you're eating a protein cookie on a night out anyways. Who are you? Who are you? Who are
Very
you?
healthy and very...
Hashtag Butch.
No pants.
So the makeup is on, and I'm not going to take my nice camera because we are going to go to bars and stuff tonight, but I'm going to take you guys along on my camera. I mean, by that I mean my cell phone, because I don't really want to ruin this nice camera that I'm vlogging on, but I will vlog on my cell phone if I remember tonight.
She won't remember.
I'm going to remember. And yeah, we're going to take you guys along for a night in Honolulu. Can you see the view? I mean, I know there's like a bit of a reflection, but like how dope is that at night? Okay, it kind of is really anticlimactic on here, but it actually really looks really cool in life. We're currently walking to the restaurant. It might be a bit windy out here, but it is gorgeous. Isn't it nice out? This is Emily. He's Italian. Oh! Caught that on camera, Danielle. Caught it for the vlog.
Because she's making fun of me because of my shoes and my fanny pack.
Yeah, Nicholas is like full tourist mode, fanny pack and all. But we are walking to a restaurant. It's like 10 minutes away. We're going for Mexican because we've obviously been out of the country for like 6 months and haven't had decent Mexican food. So we're just hoping at this point that there is good guacamole and salsa and margaritas and maybe some queso and tacos and stuff. But it's like 70 degrees and breezy right now in Honolulu, and it is absolutely, without a doubt, giving me freaking. We are on Waikiki Beach area and all the shopping, and we are about to head to dinner up there. Mexican. That's where we're going.
Oh, so yeah.
Cheers!
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 You get sweet.
Are these glass or plastic? I'm really confused.
They feel light. I think it's plastic.
It is
They feel really light. Yeah.
No, but I think it's glass.
It's
I don't
plastic.
know. I'm really confused. Anyways, I got some fancy ass margarita that's going on. Don't even really remember what was in it, and I could not pronounce it because it's Hawaiian sounding. But let's taste it. Is it good? Strong?
Oh.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like peppers out here. How
It's
is
savory.
Which one did you get?
The fresca.
You got cucumber. I don't like that. It tastes like, I'm like, I don't want my drink to taste like salad.
It's kind of nice. It's different.
Let me try mine. Hold on. I'm not even
Shall,
sure
you
if
wanna
I'm in
give it a
frame
try?
right now, but tastes like a margarita.
How bad is it?
No, that's good.
Let me try
What
it.
is it? That was not a good face you made though.
It's like savory, it's not
eating
sweet.
food. It's not sweet.
It's savory, it's not
Is it like
sweet.
eating a salad? It's just like,
Yes,
that's what I imagine.
No,
I don't
you-
like cucumber and anything. It's like
You
eating
eat a salad, and then the aftermath
Yeah.
is literally the devil.
Feel like a Bloody Mary. You know how that's
So he
savory?
feels about the margarita like you feel about his protein cookies.
I like that.
They're good. Good for you.
I just like popping to choke it down.
That's the jalapeno. It's hitting me.
So for my dinner, I got a giant ass chimichanga, and then we also have videos going on. Me too got a burrito.
Burrito.
Why does it make your head look so big, but your burrito's so small?
Oh!
I'm not gonna say
Danielle is about to ride a mechanical
I'm just
bull.
saying any dude that wants to ride the bull,
couple
you want
tricks
to
in, but we're
judge.
doing
That's
okay.
all I'm saying. All right?
Let's see how she holds out.
I mean, you can't dance, you can't run. I'm just leaving it at that. But anyway, wait. Can I finish? Can I finish? At 11:45 is when it starts. Now, ladies. At 12:15, I'm not at the South DJ for this, and I'm gonna go watch this. We need the sexiest ladies
She's down. So you can't even see us.
We're in darkness.
Lighting in here is terrible, but we're at a bar.
Oh, wait, you know what I could do?
Wait, light us! Flashlight us.
Here we are.
There we are. So we're at this bar called Tula's in there we go, in Honolulu. Yeah. I'm looking extra glossy. I keep looking at myself. I need to look here. Hello. But let me turn this way. Hold on. Wait, why you want to let me flip the screen?
Here, just flip it this way.
But I just got this Mai Tai for $10. It's like a jug. That's like probably like a week's worth of calories. Like no big deal. And then Michael's like very thin, so he got a vodka tonic.
Yes, I'm very classy. I like the time.
So yeah, we just finished Mexican food and drinks and shots there, and now we're going to really just keep the party going.
Every woman, it's all in me. I can read your thoughts right now. Everyone from A to Z.
I can cast a spell, secrets you can't tell. Makes a special brew, put fire inside of you. Anytime you feel danger or fear, then instantly I will appear. 'Cause I'm every woman, it's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. More. Get you, yeah, yeah, da, da. Get you, yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah. Mocha chocolate, yeah, yeah. Cream lady marmalade. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Hey! Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? All my sisters, yeah. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Yeah. Hey, Danielle. Moulay, yeah. Rochelle. Lady, Mama Love. Divas. Ha! So Rochelle and I, from the footage you would have just seen, just karaoke'd our asses off in the car, in our Uber. He got us to our final destination and then said, hey, can we stop your trip and can you sing another song? I'll drive around the block. I'll do whatever I need to. I want you guys to sing. So we sang I'm Every Woman by Whitney Houston and we sang Lady Marmalade.
Yes.
And that just made my entire night. So that was like the perfect ending to Honolulu.
Absolutely.
So needless to say, it's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna call it a night, and we will see you guys tomorrow in Honolulu. Hopefully, maybe on a better camera, and see what we get into. I think we're gonna do some shopping.
A lot of shopping.
We're gonna do some shopping. See you guys tomorrow. Hello! Welcome back to the vlog. As you guys would have just seen, got my Diet Dr. Pepper, so I'm a happy girl. And there's Rochelle, looking cute.
Hey, y'all.
Okay, we are headed back down to the beach, and then we got this one over here, Danielle. I don't know if you guys have met her yet, but how you feeling, Danielle?
Just fab. Just fab.
She's clutching her water like it's her firstborn child, if that tells you anything about how her night was last night. But we are about to be super basic and go to P.F. Chang's for lunch. We had Cheesecake Factory yesterday. You can just tell that we've been out of the States for a while because we're like hitting up every like very American franchised place. But you know what? Sometimes you just need a taste of home. So we're gonna have that, and then Rochelle and I don't know what Danielle's doing, maybe going to the beach or something. But we're going shopping. Gonna hit up all the American stores because shopping in Australia is super expensive. So we're gonna hit up American stores and for once not have to convert in our head and see if it's actually expensive or not. But yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna go buy all the things. Here we are trying to decide what we're gonna get. I just ordered some hot and sour soup. Thinking I'm gonna go with Old Faithful over here for lunch with the lettuce wraps. Freaking birds in the restaurant. Then again, we are like right by these freaking awesome open windows out to the street. The breeze is amazing. Still, it's a little disconcerting having birds roaming. Doing some damage. So we're a couple hours into our shopping adventure. First we stopped at P.F. Chang's, obviously, and now we're walking around. Beautiful. All the outdoor shopping. So we're having a great time. It's really nice out. It's kind of overcast, so it's not really that hot, so it makes walking store to store really nice. But we're having a good day. You having a good day?
Great.
Good day. And we just became friends with Michael at Sephora in Honolulu, so besties. He had a music degree.
Yes.
Which is, you know, we bonded over.
I'm trying to deal with all